Hi guys, and welcome back to the first lesson in shapes and objects, which falls under the category of geometry. We're going to get straight into looking at different types of angles. So let's jump in. So let's begin by naming some of our angles. So firstly, we're going to talk about an acute angle, and I remember this as being something that's cute, and cute, like small things, are really cute. So these are small angles, and these are angles that are less than 90 degrees. So here we have a 90 degrees angle. This is not acute. It has to be less than this to be acute. Then we have a right angle, which is exactly 90 degrees. The other way you might hear this is perpendicular. If two lines are perpendicular, that means they are at right angles. Then we have an obtuse angle, which is between 90 and 180. So if we started here and our second line finished here, then this big opening here would be an obtuse angle. Then we have a straight angle, which again is exactly 180 degrees. And then a reflex angle is bigger than 180 and less than 360. And then a full revolution or a revolution angle is exactly 360. Now we have complementary and supplementary angles. Now complementary angles are when two or more angles add up to 90 degrees. So these two angles here add up to 90 degrees. So from that we could work out what x equals by taking 34 away from 90. So we go 90 take away 34, which gives us 56. So x here equals 56 degrees. So I want you to pause this and do this example now. So what is the complementary angle of 79 degrees? So pause it and have a go. Okay, so you should have gone, well, x equals 90 take away 79. So x equals 11. So the complementary angle is 11 degrees. Then we have supplementary angle, and this is when two or more angles add up to 180. Now we could have another angle over here, and if we knew that, we could still work out what this third angle is. But as long as we know they all add up to 180. So we go 180 take away 62, which gives us 118. And we can tell that this would be right because this is bigger than 90 degrees, but less than 180 because it's an obtuse angle. So we need to use our thinking in this and go, what kind of angle is this and what do I estimate it to be? If we have an estimation first, we usually know then if we're on the right track. So what is the supplementary angle of 168? So what we do is we go 180 take away 168, which gives us 12 degrees. So the supplementary angle of 168 equals 12. Now I remember the difference between supplementary and complementary because supplementary is a straight line. So supplementary straight line. That's how I remember those ones. So let's name angles as well. So naming angles is different to naming the type of angle. So we've talked about the types of angles being acute, obtuse, straight. But if we're to name the angle, it means that we are naming an angle using the letters provided on the arms and at the vertex, which is the point, or where the two or three or four lines connect. And the letters on the vertex is the middle letter of the name. And this will make sense. So here we have this angle, acute angle here. Now to name this, we say angle and we make sure the y is in the middle, and then it doesn't matter if it goes x, y, z or z, y, x, as long as that y is in the middle, okay? That's what's important, is that point, the vertex is our middle letter.
Thanks for watching, guys. Remember, if you have any questions, please make sure you ask. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next lesson. Thanks, guys.